So now this is the third lecture. In the third lecture, I will just explain you. Suppose you are just giving the university exam. So in the university exam, you will use the lecture number 2. And suppose you are giving any competition. Also, if you are just have done the university exam, and suppose you want to check after then that whether you are correct or not. Okay. So this is the very simple trick. You can solve the determinant of the matrix within 2 to 5 seconds. Okay, if you have good practice. So at first you have to multiply this. So 3 2 ja 6. Okay. Then after then you have to write portion. Okay. Right portion, right. And after then you will multiply this and this. Okay. So this is 3 into 1 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 3. Then after then you will multiply this and this. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to ja 4 to ja 8 plus 8. Now after then minus this portion. 2 into 2 4. Then after then you have to multiply this portion. 1 into 2 into 2 1. 1 into 2 into 1. Then after then plus 2. Then after then you have to multiply this. So 3 2 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. Now solve it. You know that 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and 8 minus 18 is equal to minus 10 and this is equal to 3 minus 10 is equal to minus 7. This is the same answer. Okay. So the determinant of A is equal to minus 7. This is the best method to find the solution within 3 seconds. Okay. So you in the university exam you will never use this method. Once you have done the old method and after then you can check this method that you are correct or not. If you just do like this is only for the competition, and this is also very important. After once you have done this method and after then you can check. To check this method is very good. Then you will get 10 by 10 marks. Okay. Thank you so much.